What do the dashboard warning indicator lights on the 2022 Ford Edge mean? These lights provide crucial information about the vehicle's systems, alerting drivers to issues like low tire pressure, engine problems, or maintenance reminders. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Front airbag, anti-lock brake system. Brake system. Blind spot monitor, electric park brake. Door ajar, engine coolant temperature. Oil pressure, malfunction indicator lamp. Fasten seatbelt, battery. Hood ajar, lift gate ajar. Low tire pressure warning, low fuel level. Low washer, fluid level, powertrain fault. Stability and traction control. Adaptive cruise control, automatic headlamp, high beam. Auto start stop, high beam. Hill start assist, lane keeping aid. Side marker lamps, turn signal lamps.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic.
If this guide on lights indicators diagram is helpful, PLZ like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.